guys, for today's dot video, I'll be showing you how to add dash on mobile. So first, equip your dot lantern or flashlight. You can also use any emote that is movable. Okay, anyways, ready your dot emote wheel. Run at full speed, then dot quickly crouch and use your emote. BTW jump when you're gonna dot land, then go left, right dot every second. If you lose speed, then dot go to this ramp here or whatever it's called. It'll take a while to master dot add dash, but you'll get to it. Ignore my grammar. You can see him having fun here. 3. Lazy today. So anyways, in the next video, I'll be dot showing you how to backslide in the easiest way. And yeah, that's all. Let me have fun and Edash here. Let me add music rook.
Te tengo todo pa' mí. Estoy segura que tú no te quieres ir. Dice tú que mami, estoy puesto pa' ti. Espérame, no agüita, que esta noche no te dejo dormir. Esa es lo que te puse tuyo. Tú eres mi papi, lo digo con orgullo.
I must stop recording here due to laziness. Bye.